Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for September 22nd, 2015. Okay, the euro is on a move after the market failed to eclipse this resistance, as you can see here, the red line. The market failed to eclipse this red line and is now on the move to the downside. Now, the next area that the euro will test is this 110 region that coincides with this upsloping trend line, as you can see. So that's the next area of resistance with the euro, or support, sorry. And with the US dollar index, it coincides. US dollar index is just the inverse of the euro. It coincides with this point just below the 98th level on the US dollar index. So we're really looking to see what will happen with earnest. Will the dollar break out of this consolidation and head to the upside and challenge this 100 level, or will we get a turnaround and challenge and break down to the downside? And that's what we're looking for. Taking a monthly look at the US dollar index, we see, and let me just remove these trend lines. Look at this consolidation pattern. We had a high by this green candle, and these candles just show us that the market is in consolidation. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. This will be the 7th month that the US dollar index has done absolutely nothing. And that's why in these instances we look towards the crosses. For example, the euro versus the Japanese yen. Taking a look at the daily chart, we see that this market is heading on the way down with the euro weakness, and the next area we're looking to see is to see if this market can close below this 132 level. This 132 level, market closes below that level, that would be fairly bearish for this market. And ultimately, if we do close below 132, we could get a move down to 126. The market is currently at 133.62, and 133 down to 126 is over 700 pips. So we could see a 700 pip move down in the euro versus the Japanese yen. Taking a look at the British pound, market is also down on the day, and down fairly a good amount of pips actually. But the next area of support on the pound is this, as you can see, this 151.80, 152 region. If we get below this area, we could see a further decline in the pound. And from my experience, I can tell you that when the markets do break out, they move fairly quickly. And this is where for a swing trader, position trader, most of your profits, you get most of your profits. So that's why it's important to get in right now, and to get in now to see your portfolio increase and see your account balance increase, because that's how it works with trading. You have to get in the move before they happen. You can't sit back and say, oh, I would have done this or I would have done that. You have to be a part of what is happening in the market. Taking a look at the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is up versus the US dollar on the day, but we are still in this consolidation pattern, as you can see here that I have drawn on the daily chart. Strict consolidation pattern here. And position traders will also see that this market is not really doing much at this point in time. But when it does break, let's say it breaks up or it does break down, we could see, if it breaks to the downside, we could see a move down to 116. And if it breaks it upside, we could see the market challenge this 124 level and also this 125 swing high. So again, markets are in consolidation. During consolidations, our strategy and our game plan is to look for the break in the markets, and when the markets do break, we can see some pretty significant gains. Okay, taking a look at the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, this market is is still in an uptrend, and the market refuses to close below this 130 level. And we haven't taken a look at the monthly chart of the USD Canadian dollar in a little while, and we see that the market still remains above 130, the swing high that occurred back in 2008 and 2009, and the market closed above the level last month and still remains above that level. So we could see further gains in this market. Now, someone asked me about having success in the forex markets and what they can do to get success, because a lot of people watch these videos, a lot of people are, everyone wants to make money in the forex market, but what you need to do to become successful is to practice your technical analysis, analyze the market, see what's going on, and practice your trades. And by only getting involved in the market and actually doing something, that's when you can reap the rewards from the markets. Yes, there will be times when it will be frustrating. Yes, you will go on some losing streaks, but at the end of the day, when you hit a winning streak, your winning streak should be above your losing streaks, and that's how you make consistent money in the market. And just like anything in life, in order to be good at the forex market, you have to put in the work, you have to put in the investment, and in both money and time to reap the rewards of the markets. Because once you put in the money and the time into the markets, you can have something that you can earn consistent gains for a lifetime. It does not matter the size of your portfolio, you can have the knowledge to earn consistent gains. And that's one of the reasons why we're here at acestrading.com, to give you the tools necessary to become successful in the markets. Okay, and we are coming up on the end of September, where it's September 22nd. We are quickly approaching the final quarter of the forex trading and the forex markets, and we have been in consolidation for the last 7 months or so. So what I'm anticipating is that the market will break in the last quarter, and we will see some very strong gains. So if you were thinking about getting involved in the forex income system, now is definitely the time to get started. And if you have signed up already and your account is not connected, get the account connected and get started at this point in time, because now is the time where we see activity pick up in these markets. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and click on the link below to sign up for those signals. And I hope you are enjoying these videos. I get a lot of positive feedback. If you have any specific questions, you can send an email into info@acestrading.com about these videos, and if you have any questions, I will hope to answer them on these videos. Thank you very much for listening, and have a wonderful day.